So guys, welcome back to Experimental Point. Today I am going to show a chemical which is basically known as KMnO4. This is potassium permanganate. So we'll learn about this and what are its uses, and we'll do a couple of simple experiments with this chemical right here. So let's get started, guys. So guys, this is KMnO4. It looks like this. I have taken out from the container. So we'll pour here and show how does it look. See guys, it is a shiny material, kind of dark blue color. So it has small crystals. We'll just put a small crystal in this water and show you what happens. So let's do this now. So guys, as you can see, I have taken a small amount of KMnO4. I'll just put a little bit of it inside this glass. See guys, it's forming a kind of pink color. If I mix this thing, the water becomes pink. Because the water has started turning into pink color. So we'll leave it for some time. So guys, as you can see, the water has turned totally pink color, and it is still more becoming darker pink. So this is the property of KMnO4. It turns the water into pink color. It indicates that it is containing KMnO4. It is also known as self-indicator. So next thing we'll be doing is we'll talk about these properties. So KMnO4 is the oxidizing agent. It helps in killing the germs in water. So if you have any water tank, you can pour this thing into your water tank. It cleans all the germs present in the water tank. So this is the uses of it. And KMnO4 can be used for drinking also, but it should be slight pink, not so much pink. If in any emergency case, you can take tap water and mix little bit of KMnO4 and used for drinking, but it should not be so much pink. It should be light pink. There should be only light tint of the pink color. That's it. Then that's it, guys. So we'll practice. We'll do some practicals by using this KMnO4. So in this next experiment, I'm going to add KMnO4 and concentrated citric acid, which is basically present in lemon. So I'll take out the citric acid from lemon. So guys, before doing concentrated lemon and KMnO4, we'll just pour the lemon into this KMnO4. That's it. And we'll wait for some time. I think it has started decolorizing itself. We'll wait for some time. So guys, as you could see, the water has completely decolorized by pouring this lemon into this KMnO4 solution. Basically because it oxidizes the lemon also, so it turned into colorless solution now. See guys, now it is a colorless solution. Before it was pink color. So we'll do this reaction by using concentrated lemon and KMnO4. So guys, as you can see, have extracted the concentrated citric acid from the lemon. So I'll pour this KMnO4 into this citric acid. We'll wait for some time and see what happens. So as you can see, it has started reacting. The bubbles are coming up. We'll wait for some time and see what happens. So guys, now the reaction is still going on and I can observe some heat released from it. So basically what happens is the citric acid reacts with KMnO4. Basically it oxidizes the KMnO4 and something like this is formed. It's really hot. I'll just place it here. So this is the simple experiment. So thanks for watching guys. If you have learned something from this video, or if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching.